Hola buenas, my dear friends. Here we are QSTECH are standing in 2026 as in Barcelona and bring our latest product back here. And this time we have 4 different all-in-one display to meet the different scenario and the fine pixel pitch indoor, the outdoor, and the new outdoor parameter, and also our rental product. And please follow my step and enjoy the great product launch. So what's behind me right now is our new all-in-one display called COB Pure. And it's named Pure is because you can see there's no control bar on the bottom and only a minimal bezel design and only have the power on and off. And the whole screen disk coverage could reach over 98%. And also, behind of the screen, there is a power control box. Inside the box, there's the sending card and the power supply unit. And on here, you can have all the ports you need. And just put it out, and you can just do the replacement of the sending card and the power supply unit. And here we have the full standing and also the electronic podium. With this one, you can have a very beautiful scenario in your conference showroom. And here, this one is our Expo version 3 with a COB panel, and it's for the education, this kind of scenarios. Since you can see here on the side, we have the infrared board, which means that we have the 10-point finger touch solution here, and you can write down something very easily. And you can just erase the thing, use your hand like this, and also create a new page, like here. And it really have more possibility with the teachers and the students. And also for our all-in-one display, we also have the microphones, speakers, and have the option with the cameras. Really have the integrate one for the education, this kind of scenario. So what we have here is our SMD Pure. And compared with the COB Pure, the difference is that you can see there's no control bar and there's even no control box behind of the screen, which means that the whole coverage could reach over 99%. And all the control system is just in the cabinet. And it's just super clean and super easy to use with our self-developed OS. And it's a very good choice for your showroom. And this one is what we made by the AIO with the home theater, this kind of scenario. And it's an iMac P0.9 with a 4K resolution. And so you can see the whole screen is like very black and with a high contrast. And with this kind of solution, we have our self-developed OS, which means we have a launcher like the movie, this kind of platform, and we have the TV box inside, so which means that you can use your remote just like look at the TV, like look at the movies and sit in the sofa, which is very a good experience for you.